Number 3, ABC. Just gonna go ahead and finish it off. No fatties in this one. Well, maybe one. Paul Konerko is a double jersey. Brian Dozier. Jonathan Scope logo tag. That one's 1 of 5. Corey Seager player collection autograph. Tim Anderson 5 of 99 rookie patch autograph. What's up, Tar Heel Kenny? Jose Barrios is jersey autograph to 99. Isn't much in Oak Island. They only have a few spots to stay beyond single. Yeah, we've vacationed there a few times. Oak Island. Darryl Strawberry bat autograph number to 99. And 71 of 99, Tyler Nakin double jersey autograph. Jackie Robinson variation. And the last one, Jose Abreu 6 of 10 autograph bat. 36 home runs. That'll do it for that case. ABC, thanks again, buddy, for all the breaks.